In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add multiple TikTok accounts on the same device. This is beneficial for managing diverse content, targeting different audiences, and maintaining separation between personal and professional activities. To do this, simply head to TikTok. Onto your profile page, tap onto these three lines and head to Settings and Privacy. You want to navigate into the second last option of Switch Account. Select Add Account. If you already have another account, simply tap right here on Login. And if you want to add a new account, just select Sign Up. Once done, you will just switch up accounts instead of always logging in and out from one account to the other. Well, switching between accounts on one device is convenient and time-saving, making it easier to manage multiple profiles efficiently. That's it. See you in the next one.